Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. If you're wondering what's on my eyes, it's that Ace Beauty Solstice. I don't know what it's called. I had a look up with it. It came in a box of charm a couple months ago. That one on my lips is the new, new to me. That was my last Ulta haul. The NYX Candy Slick. Now, I will tell you, it feels like you're actually using a paint, kinda. It's kind of like that, not the sticky weird paint or glue, which you might think paint like, but kind of like acrylic, but a little thicker. That's kind of what it feels like you're applying. And you have to go over it a couple of times, like to get full of pigments, but it's pretty. Today, I have a Trendmood box. Y'all remember Trendmood? Y'all still follow Trendmood on social media? You know, she always used to have all the spoilers. I get a lot of my spoilers from Dupe That and, you know, still Trendmood, but like Beauty Deals BFF, I'm like, she has all the sales. Like Trendmood tries to do the sales or post on sales, but Beauty Deals BFF is where the sales are at. But anyway, you know, Trendmood probably like a year ago more started basically a monthly box or every other month of certain brands she would collaborate with. I think the first couple boxes was like a mixture of 5 to 8 things, but it was like, I want to say $75 or something. Like the first few were like that. Even the one where a few months back she collabed with e.l.f. and I swear it was still just 5 to 8 products, but it was $75, I want to say. This one was only $39, and this one I want to say is even more better and like that. You know, I was kind of considering e.l.f. because it was newer e.l.f. And I'm like, but still, like, the most expensive e.l.f. thing is like $12 or $15. So this month, she it had been like the end of March when I actually ordered this. I'm not sure. She partnered with First Aid Beauty. And I really couldn't believe it. And I like First Aid Beauty a lot. I like their Ultra Repair Cream, like on my décolleté, Taj, whatever, like the chest area before I go to bed at night, and a little bit on my arms, you know, just this area, because I find it's a little too heavy for my face, but some people do like it on their face. And I like the face wash. I've tried that, so yeah, let's get into this box. It's all full-size things, so I'm excited. Okay, so first up we do have the original Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration, Skin Protecting Quality Ointment. So this one doesn't really smell like anything. I like the ones that smell like something, but I like the original too. It's fine. And this is supposed to help hydrate dry, parched skin, temporarily help relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. I really not really explored, maybe just a little bit with the eczema, like whether it helps or not. But Clodagh oatmeal is supposed to be really good. This is a 6-ounce size. I believe this retails for like $39 by itself. So there's the box. Oh, and this box had free shipping. So I've got a full thing of 60 pads of facial radiance pads that help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So basically, this is just like toner pads, I guess. I have some. I've never really used them. It's alcohol-free pad across face, neck, and décolleté. They spelled that wrong. Once or twice daily after cleansing. Next up, I am excited because I did like this cleanser a lot. It's a good cleanser to, like, I go in with my cellular water first, but there's always a little bit of, you know, makeup residue unless you do that like 3 or 4 times. But the Pure Skin and Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster removes surface oils, makeup dirt, and grime, safe for sensitive skin. Yeah, my skin like this. This is full size, $5. I forgot how much this runs, like $22. Awesome that was in there. It's a favorite of people's. I have not tried this. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, which is safe for sensitive skin. Now, AHA, you do hear a lot for your face, like AHA, BHA. I want to say, is AHA or retinol? But anyway, it's like a chemical exfoliant, which makes sense for the you know, bump eraser. People have been saying that this is really, really good. Now, I'm bad about neglecting because I only use it like once on the weekends, so I forget about it. But what really helped was skin something. It's in like almost a lime green too. Say I got it through like Boxy pop-up or something. I don't know, but it's like it's a bump eraser. And what you do pre-shower, you like rub this in where you want it to go. It can go anywhere, but I just mainly like use it for, or I just use it for my elbows. And I used to have such a big problem with these bumps. They're a little bit bigger now because I forgot to do it this weekend. But they're so much flatter than they used to be. I don't know why, just this arm especially, like would always get the bumps like really bad down here. It just helps. Like these are like, I think something to do with your hair. Like I don't really have any hair on my elbows, so I think it just kind of like, they're almost like ingrowns, but not really. But they're so much flatter and like less dark than they used to be. Well, they weren't uber dark, but you know, just a little bit darker. So that has really helped. So I have high hopes for this. Like this one I don't have hardly any, and I never really did, but it did help the little bit that I did have. Like it's almost flat. So like I never thought I could actually get rid of that, because I think I remember using like scurpy hand things or something like that, you know, it just didn't really work. But for some reason, something in that one, maybe they both have, maybe that one has an AHA too. But it says this fast-acting resurfacing body treatment contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. Glycolic and lactic acids at a combined level of 10% help loosen skin's top layer and decongest pores, while pumice microcrystals slough it all away. Okay, contains bisabolol and colloidal ointment to help soothe skin. This hard-working exfoliator helps improve skin texture and smooth away bumps, roughness, and stubborn, scaly areas. Okay, now I would, like it says scaly areas, so it should be okay, but you know, sometimes you might want to slough some of your eczema off, but sometimes it's not the best idea, so do, you know, take it easy, or if you have psoriasis or something like that. Pumice is your first ingredient, so yeah, you have some dry scaly feet, might will help you too a little bit. And glycolic acid, I think that skin stuff has the brand is literally skin intuition, skin detox, I don't know. Like, I think it has glycolic acid. That's one. The last product that's for, so this is the 5th one. And I imagine that thing's at least $30 or something around there. First Aid Beauty is like in your higher end price range. It's like Origin's price range, if you know. Or, you know, like not Uber, not Tatcha, not Sunday Riley, but they're like mid to high range. Like you won't find them at the drugstore. This is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream, and apparently this is new. That's what's featured on this box on the lid, if you noticed. Collagen peptides and niacinamide, safe for sensitive skin. So 100% reported their skin looked and felt instantly hydrated and nourished. 90% reported their skin looked and felt more plump, firm, and resilient. This product helped smooth fine lines and wrinkles and kept skin looking youthful. Luxurious skin pumping collagen moisture hydrates to help maintain and restore volume and visibly firm skin. No artificial fragrance, non-comedogenic. They have a dryness thing, and it starts with just like a dropper with moisture to dry, which is a cactus. Guessing for desert, it's the best for, I'm guessing, to the desert, or almost to the desert. Apply to face and neck twice daily in the AM and PM. Use alone or over a serum. They normally have really good ingredients. Those are the ingredients. That's your product. Now since this is geared to your face, like specifically, while the Ultra Repair is not completely geared to your face, it seems like more geared to your face with the collagen. Maybe it's less thick and I would actually enjoy it on my face. Like take a peek. I mean, it's pretty thick. It smells like nothing. I don't know. I don't think it's as thick. Like some came off. So, oh no, that's nice. That's a lightweight moisturizer. That's nice. Okay, that I probably would like that on my face more than the repair. The repair stuff's pretty thick. So yeah, that was that box. I thought it's a really good box for $39. I would have expected this one to be $75, but they must have given her a really good deal. Really wanted to promote this and said, hey, yeah, we'll partner with you and do a whole box just for our brand, which gets people addicted to the brand. And since the brand is in that mid-range, not super expensive like Sunday Riley, Tatcha, more people might be willing to give it a go if they like something and you know, rebuy. While I have you here, Dollar General haul, but it's not enough to make a video by itself. But they had a bunch of Believe stuff like on sale. You know, people have been raving about Believe, or they tried it when Dollar General first came out of it. I want to say right before the pandemic hit. And a bunch of stuff like marked down, or I'm assuming it's marked down. I didn't see the original prices. I would always like glance at Believe, so I want to say it's like $5, maybe $6 or something like that. And I might have vaguely watched the video, but didn't really pay attention to one way back when. And it's like, cause I didn't think that these wouldn't have any carmine, but then I saw that they were in the clearance section at Dollar General, and I was like, let me like just peek at the ingredients. And I'm noticing no carmine in any of these. So I was like, okay, we'll get that. So for $3.55, and it is taped shut. So there is this gorgeous rose with gold glitter, which just might give you like a little bit of a glow sheen, or my show posts with gold glitter, but I have a feeling it might just like kind of fade away. But it's called Fancy Plum, and I think that is gorgeous. That is the shade I like for winter, so love that. Got a bronzer, which I hardly ever wear bronzer, but I was like, why not? Let's give this a go one day. So this is Hawaiian Glow, and this was a deeper one. They had one that was really light. Bronzing, or is this a bronzing powder that provides an instant bronze complexion with a soft satin finish, but this is Tahitian Sun. This one has a little bit of the gold reflect in it, and I could probably still make this one work. So, and this is the highlighter I chose. Or one of them I chose. No, just the one I chose. They had another one. Now, first I was going to grab that because it's the only one I saw, but then I kept digging, and there was so much stuff. I swear. So this is the shade Radiant, or it's a Radiant Finish highlighter in Pink Pearls. It doesn't look pink. It looks very golden. Yeah, but doesn't that look so pretty? I'm excited. Okay, and I did grab a lighter blush. This one reminds me of something. This is a Born to Blush. What's the other one called? Oh, both Born to Blush. This one's called High Tea, like tea. Should I get like a light color tea? So it's kind of like a peachy, shimmery, like satiny kind of peach. It almost, if it was a couple shades darker, or maybe a shade darker, remind me of NARS Orgasm. So that's why I grabbed this one. We are all good now, Carmine. All right, and then I grabbed one of these. This is from Believe Beauty. Okay, this is the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in. Hold on, we have a name, I think. Oh my gosh, do we have a name? Grenadine. Oh my gosh, for some reason you can bet it looks like clear, but you can somehow kind of read that. It must have been like a black, and then it had a white writing. I don't know, but it's Grenadine. Oh, it's up here too. So yeah, Grenadine. I haven't really heard people talk about this, but I thought that was such a pretty red color. I don't know how it's shown it, but it's very like scarlet kind of red. So yeah, I don't know about summer going, but like one day I'll have to give these a try just because I think they are so pretty. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.